Hello, my name is Sean and this is Cruise Through Life. So today I'm in the beautiful city of Miami. We're in a parking garage. We're gonna go and hop in an Uber and see if we can do some ship spotting at South Pointe Park today. It's where all the cruise ships go out of the port of Miami. So let's go see if we can check that out. So I've made it to the port. It's about 3:30. I got about probably another hour and a half before ships start sailing. But this is a beautiful park. I've never been here before. Lots of people around riding bikes, roller skating. I'll show you guys. If you look down there, you can see the tail end of a royal ship. I'm not sure which one. Along with a couple other ships down in the port. We've got our first ship coming out. Carnival something, I can't quite see it. Right, let me flip you around. And so our first ship is the Carnival Celebration. Want to send the drone up, but it's a little windy.
I want you to give your one quarter round of applause.
I might just manage to get the drone up before the celebration gets away from us. So here we have the Carnival Celebration. It looks like our next ship is the Carnival Horizon.
I'll be like in like I'll be like the bottom.
Hello, voiceover Sean here. So throughout this process of doing this, I had a family come in that decided that they were going to sit directly in front of me. They had a couple of young children with them, and they wanted to get in my shot, and I didn't feel like fighting with them and being like, hey, would you mind stepping out of my shot? I'm trying to record the cruise ships. So we're not going to have any audio of this, except for maybe a little bit of voiceover from me. Our first ship is Symphony of the Seas with the voiceover, so we'll watch that ship go by. We've got the drone footage. I'll show what I can of it going past me from my point of view, but it'll mostly be the drone footage. This was my first time recording going ship spotting, and I hadn't quite decided how I wanted to record the ships with the drone, and I kind of settled on this top-down view of the ships. But let me know what you think. Should I change it for the next time I go ship spotting? Do you like the top-down view? Would you like kind of more of a side view? Let me know in the comments below. And there goes the Symphony of the Seas, out to whatever wonderful cruise ports that it was heading to that day. I don't actually know, but these people are off to a great cruise vacation. So right before the Norwegian Encore sailed through, the family that had sat in front of me decided that they were going to leave. So I didn't get too much more audio and stuff with this because my camera was almost dead and I was trying to preserve battery with that. So I got some footage with the camera, I got some footage with the drone, but it's lacking in audio because I was more focused on flying the drone rather than trying to talk to the camera, and it was almost dead. So the final ship of the day was Royal Caribbean's Explorer of the Seas. My camera and my drone were basically dead. Alright, so that wraps up ship spotting here in Miami. I apparently picked a great spot for seeing cruise ships, but not so great for avoiding families with children. So part of it, you didn't hear me talking. I'll probably do a voiceover of that, of the different ships and things, but my drone's dead, my phone's almost dead, so I'm gonna get an Uber back to my car, and then I'll see you next time. Hope to see you on board sometime soon.